Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with this week's BBB that is releasing with Kozmik Nails tomorrow, Monday, February 20th at 10 a.m. Central Time. And this duo here is perfect for the upcoming St. Patty's Day. We have Emerald Isles and then we have Irish Cream, and these two colors are beautiful. Check out this gorgeous swatch. Isn't that the perfect St. Patty's Day greens? And then we're also going to be using Specter, which is a solid white and it also glows in the dark. And then how adorable are these decals? We're going to be using one of those little gnomes today for the mani, and then we will be using dip liquids. Now, if you're not familiar with the BBB with Kozmik Nails, what that is, it's a duo. So it's a really fun way to get new colors at a discounted price for that week. So BBB stands for Big Bang Baby, and it is released every Monday at 10 a.m. Central Time, and it is new colors that Kozmik Nails is releasing. So these are some of the new colors that you're seeing here for this week that are perfect for St. Patty's Day. And sometimes it's two dip powders, sometimes it's a decal and a dip powder. It all kind of depends on the duos. You still can get past BBB duos. The only thing is that the price does go up a little bit. So for that whole week, starting Monday at 10 a.m. Central Time, that current duo, so the one you see here, you can get at a special discounted price, and that is good for that sale for an entire week. Plus, on top of that BBB, you're not only getting a great deal on that duo, you can also use a discount code on top of that. So that's pretty awesome. So if you are interested in ever purchasing anything from Kozmik Nails, don't forget you can always use Mallory 15, and that will save you 15% off your order, and you can use it on the BBBs, which is amazing. And how fun is this dip powder that we're dipping into right now called Irish Cream? It's so pretty and fun. It has these beautiful green foils, and then check out that little shamrock. And I really like that color shamrock. It's super fun and it really gives it a really nice dimension on the nail. And that shamrock is laying super flat to the nail. And I really like how when I dipped into the cupcake liner, I only picked up one of the shamrocks. I really like how organically placed on the nail. So I only left that one on there, but you definitely can add more shamrocks to your mani. So that is the best part about doing our nails at home, is that we can create our manis however we want. And I definitely am going to be playing with this dip powder some more because I think it's so fun, and I really like how Irish Cream is a beautiful foil as well, mixed in with those shamrocks. And if you've ever tried any of the dip powders from Kozmik Nails, you will know that her dip powders are really awesome, and the glitters in there, like the chunkier glitters, lay super flat to the nail, which I really like, because that's like the one thing that kind of scares me away from items that are in dip powder, because I'm always afraid that I'm not going to get it super flat to the nail and then I'm going to cut into it with file and buffing. But I've had the best luck with Kozmik Nails dip powders. There was a really fun BBB duo that was released 2 weeks ago. It is what is it? It's a little smiley face thing. It was the funnest BBB duo ever. It is called Don't Worry, Be Happy. It is so fun. So it's this beautiful sparkly black dip powder, and then it has these smiley faces. I'll put a picture right here of the mani so you can see it. I didn't do a video of this mani, but these smiley faces are so fun and they laid super flat to the nail. So I really love how this turned out. I think it's super pretty. But I really like Kozmik Nails dip powders with the extra fun glitters in there, just because they lay super flat to the nail. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into this beautiful mani, and then we're going to be playing with that decal, and I will pop back in just a few moments. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and how fun is this mani? These colors are amazing and perfect for St. Patty's Day, and that decal just adds a special Irish twist to this mani. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below. Don't forget that this week's Kozmik Nails BBB Duo will be releasing tomorrow. That is Monday, February 20th at 10 a.m. Central Time. I will also link in the description box below the Kozmik Nails Facebook group so you can see other Kozmik Nail ambassadors manis to get other inspiration for St. Patty's Day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.